When your key fob stops working, there's a 99% chance that it's probably just the battery. But how do you change the battery? All you gotta do, press this little button here on the side, pull out the manual key, look right inside, there's a little spot that's just partially down. Go ahead and turn it, and then use this to pry the back off of the key fob. That's what it look like inside. And now you have access to your battery here. The battery you need is a 2032 battery. I'll put a link to Amazon down below. Now it might be helpful to have a little tool to pop your battery out. Then get your new battery, positive side down, set it on in there. Clip everything back together and just press it until it all snaps in place. Set your key. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more, and that's all you need to know.